just opened the pot a while ago and see this and I said, let me show you guys and see. Look here, let's see if we can zoom up. What is the amount of oil? Turn on this. Put it on this. It's like, I don't know if this is good. What if I see what I see? When you see the amount of oil from the coconut milk, is this okay to use? Because honestly, I want to spoon this shit off. I think it's too much. I don't like it. Look, I'm gonna grab a spoon and see something. All right, let me see. I don't know. Someone never said I would like flavor this, but I think this is too much oil. You can't like the coconut that I make coconut oil. I don't know. Guys, let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know.